Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the redirect problem of our website. So what will happen when you have different type of URLs in your website, and your website is opening with a different type of site address. Suppose you if you have a www version of your website and your website is opening with this domain, and if you have SSL certificate, which is the secured version of your website, it means your website opening with the secured version as well, and your website is also opening with the non-secured version. So what will happen? The Google bot will consider as a three different type of URL, and if you are having a three different type of URL, and which means you are having a three different type of websites, it means you are going to have three different type of page I mean three different type of website, three different type of content. It means content duplicacy will definitely gonna occur, and Google will confuse that what kind of website, which one is the original version of the website, and Google will not going to rank your website. And this is a very huge mistake when you are having the different type of URL in your website, and your website opening with the three different domains, or maybe another kind of domain, like whatever you have. So before let's dive into that, let's talk about what is the 301 permanent redirect. 301 redirect. 301 means which is it is the permanent redirect. When we redirect on, suppose if you are having a SSL certificate, so we just need to redirect it permanently on the HTTPS version of our website. So this is the permanent redirect of our website. 302 found and 307 temporary redirect. Suppose if you want to redirect your website, and right now you are not having your SSL certificate and your website is just unsecured, you just put your domain in the 302 or 307 redirection, which is just a temporary redirect. So when you buy your SSL certificate, you can easily remove that and redirect it permanently, which is the 301 redirect. And 4010 410, what is this mean? Which means your content is deleted, which means your page or post content has been deleted and it is no longer available. So this mean is this. And 404 is also sometimes of a page not found redirect. Page not found, I'm gonna type it. 404 means page not found redirect. I mean page not found, which is nothing have been available on this page. And 451 is a content unavailable for legal reasons. Suppose if you are having your website and you have copied your content from somewhere else, it means you are having duplication of the content, and that website owners having a canonical tag on his own in his own content. So you basically Google will consider that the original content is coming from that website, and this website is fake, so Google will not going to rank it, or may block your may block your page as well. So if you want to check your duplication of your content, you can set it over here, and you can buy Grammarly and check the plagiarism, which is which is duplicacy of the content. So let's not talk about it, let's fix it. How you can redirect on a single domain of your website. So what we will gonna do is just go to our admin panel of our WordPress website, and what we'll do, just go over the setting and go to the generals like this. If I will click over the general, you can see this thing over here. So what you need to do, you just need to put your domain address over here. Like if you are having SSL certificate, you just need to put HTTPS version over here, and the domain of and your domain, the domain of your website, and then site address. You just need to put it also as the same as it is. So just change your domain name and post HTTPS before it. Okay, so if you have non-secured version, just delete S over here from here, and then delete S from here, and then put it like this. So if you have SSL certificate, just put HTTPS, and if you If you do not have, then put it https and then save it over here by clicking over it. I'm not gonna click over here because I'm having https version of my website. So once you do that, so what will happen, let me show you. Suppose if you are typing, if someone is typing like www version of your website, and once that guy will enter the domain is like this, and then if that guy will enter something, then you can see that the website is coming over the https version, which is basically that, which is all we need right now. Suppose someone is come over here, and then that guy don't know the address of your website, and then that guy is type is just https. It means that your website is easily redirect to the https version, and this is the perfect way of fixing your redirection of your website. And so please fix it. And if you want to rank higher in your, if you want to rank in your website organically, so do it first before moving on to the further. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you see you in the next tutorial. And in the next tutorial I will show you how you can do it by by logging into hosting panel and change into your own .html access file.